Today, we're tackling 5 questions for the Kubernetes and Cloud Native Security Associate exam, specifically under the domain of Kubernetes Security Fundamentals. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Now, let's get started. Here comes question 1. What is the purpose of pod security standards in Kubernetes? A. To enforce API server access policies. B. To define security context for workload isolation. C. To standardize container image naming conventions. D. To automate CI/CD pipelines. Absolutely, it's B. To define security context for workload isolation. Pod security standards, PSS, categorize workloads into privilege levels like privileged, baseline, and restricted. Let's tackle question 2. Which Kubernetes feature allows fine-grained control over user access to the API server? A. Role-based access control RBAC. B. Network policy. C. Pod security standards. D. Secrets management. You nailed it! It's A. Role-based access control RBAC. RBAC defines who can access specific resources and what actions they can perform. Here comes question 3. How does Kubernetes secure sensitive information like passwords and API keys? A. Storing them as environment variables in pods. B. Using secrets with base 64 encoded data. C. Embedding them directly in the application code. D. Storing them in config maps. Absolutely, it's B. Using secrets with base 64 encoded data. Kubernetes secrets securely store sensitive information, ensuring it's only accessible to authorized pods. Let's tackle question 4. What is the primary purpose of network policies in Kubernetes? A. To isolate workloads within namespaces. B. To manage persistent storage access. C. To define cluster-wide authentication rules. D. To monitor and log network traffic. Correct. It's A. To isolate workloads within namespaces. Network policies define how pods can communicate with each other and external resources, ensuring that only allowed traffic flows within your cluster. Finally, question 5. Which Kubernetes component is responsible for generating audit logs? A. Scheduler. B. API server. C. Controller manager. D. Kubeproxy. The answer is B. API server. The API server is the hub for all cluster activity and generates audit logs to track user actions and system events. That's all for today. Hopefully you found these questions helpful. If you want more exam questions, visit our official website, kubernotes.org.